With the 12 millimeter, one side will allow it to tighten down, while the opposite side will allow it to automatically rotate around on the nuts. So we need to tighten the kickstand, and we choose one of the sizes that will fit a 14 millimeter wrench. For tightening up kickstands, bolts, nuts, anything imaginable with the auto rotate or manual rotate to fit around. Your closed end wrench from 8 millimeter to 22 millimeter. They fit into the sockets, easy to take out, move around whenever you need. From the providers and company of DISEN is a closed wrench, 72 tooth, 8 millimeter, all the way up to 22 millimeter in its own holding case, nicely packaged and protected for shipment. One of the tools we have is a magnetic extended pole in case you need to pick up, hook to the shirt, your tool. Pull it out of the case and we'll lift up the tool and center it, show you how strong the magnet is. With a plastic grip, aluminum telescopic rod, about 2+ feet. The chrome vanadium 22 millimeter, 72 tooth on one end, that's CCW turning, and the opposite end locked. On the tools, they are numbered each side 22 millimeter and the opposite side as well. We have numbered on the tool case 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 22. Each of the closed end wrenches all measure different lengths. We have 8.5, 9.25, 9.75, 10.5, 11, 12, 12.75, 13.5, 14.5, 15.25, 15.5, and 17.25 inches by a ½ inch all the way up to an inch. For demonstration purposes only, the tool case rests on the car with insulation and protection. Looking at a bolt, we're able to crank off and open up. Bolts on top as well, they fit. For smaller size bolts, to bolts all around, easy leverage. For bolts tightening down, hardware, picking the correct size and adjusting. Slots to put the tools away, comfortable. If you're looking for closed end wrenches from 8 millimeters to 22 millimeters for your needs of plumbing, boiler room, automobile, or tools around the house, this tool kit may be something that you are looking for in a DISEN closed wrench kit. Thank you for viewing.